The traditional Chinese Spring Festival is coming. This year, for various reasons, many overseas Chinese people cannot go back to China to celebrate this festival with their families and friends. They might be thousands of miles away from home, but the care and warmth of the motherland are never far away. The Chinese Embassy in the Philippines is distributing the Spring Festival kits to the overseas Chinese here in Manila. Let's have a look at what's inside the Spring Festival kit. As you see, there is a greeting card from the Chinese Embassy, and there are face masks, face shield, disinfectant wipes, and some Chinese handicrafts.
I just received the spring bag from the Chinese Embassy, so I feel so happy, and the greetings from the Chinese Embassy.
This festival is the time of reunion, so we wish that they will have a safe, healthy, and happy Chinese New Year in this country.